Hi guys, Christmas is coming. We are here to prepare big gifts for you. First, find your gift around the fireplace. You may get one of these gifts here. $20 Amazon gift card, 1-month license of PassFab for easy partition, $10 coupon or $5 coupon. The second giveaway is buy one get one free. Buy PassFab FixUWin key standard 1-year license and get PassFab FixUWin 1-month license free. Buy PassFab for Zip 1-year license and get PassFab for Excel 1-month license free. The third gift is a 30% discount. Copy the coupon code and you can save 30% when checkout. You can participate 2022 PassFab Christmas sales from 12th December to 4th January. Let's go to PassFab.com to get your prize.